Chapter 8. Measurement. Learning objectives. To understand, purpose of measurement. Difference between length, mass and capacity. To find out, the need for measurement. The way to measure various things. Look at the following pictures and read the sentences that follow. 1. Rope B is longer than rope A. 2. Ball A is heavier than ball B. 3. Bottle B has more water than bottle A. The terms longer, heavier and more help us to compare the length, mass and capacity of the given items. In order to find these, we have to measure them. The vegetable vendor also measures the weight of the vegetables before giving it to you. Measurement of length. Look at the picture given below. How will you measure the length of this pencil? We will use a ruler to measure the length of the pencil. The length of an object tells us how long it is. In earlier times, people used to measure the length of the objects using their body parts. Hand span, foot span, cubit, pace. However, these means of measurement were not very accurate, because each person had a different measure of these body parts. Thus, from the activity above we see that the measurement using the body parts is not very accurate. No two people can have the same size of different body parts. Therefore, we need some fixed standards of measurement. These fixed standards are called units. We use centimeter, cm, meter, m, and kilometer for measuring length. We use rulers, measuring tape, and meter rods to measure length. Measurement of mass. Pick up a book in your hand. How heavy does it feel? Now take two books in your hand. How heavy do they feel? Weighing things tells us how heavy or light they are. We measure mass of an object in units like kilogram, kg, and gram, g. Different instruments are used to measure the weight of things. We use a beam balance or a digital balance to weigh things. Measurement of capacity. Capacity refers to the quantity of a liquid in a vessel. Look at the different vessels given below. Each of them has a different capacity. The capacity of a vessel is measured in liters, L, or milliliters, ml. Measurement of time. Time is a very important part of our life. We follow a certain time-bound schedule to be able to carry out our everyday activities. Time is measured by the clock in hours, minutes and seconds. 60 seconds make 1 minute. 60 minutes make 1 hour. 24 hours make 1 day. 7 days make 1 week. 52 weeks make a year. Measurement of temperature. Sometimes we feel feverish and our mothers quickly put a thermometer in our mouth or in our armpits to check our temperature. The thermometer measures the temperature in degrees Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. Temperature tells us how hot or cold a person or an object is. Let's revise. Measurement using body parts is not accurate. Length is measured in centimeters, meters and kilometers. Weight is measured in grams and kilograms. Capacity is measured in milliliters and liters. Time is measured in seconds, minutes and hours. Thermometer is used to measure temperature.